Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Litespeed WebAdmin GUI access on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Litespeed WebAdmin GUI access on your VPS, start by logging into your server via SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on macOS and Linux. Enter your server's IP address and the appropriate login credentials. Once logged in, locate the Litespeed installation directory. This is typically found at /usr/local/lsws. Navigate to the admin directory within the Litespeed installation. The path should look like this, /usr/local/lsws/admin. Next, find the file named httpd_config.xml. Open this file using a text editor, such as Nano or 6. Within the file, search for the admin section. Look for the line that begins with enable. Change its value from 1 to 0. This action disables the WebAdmin access feature. After making the change, save and exit the text editor. Now, restart the Litespeed server for the changes to take effect. You can do this using the command sudo /usr/local/lsws/bin/lswsctrl restart. To verify that WebAdmin access is disabled, try to access the WebAdmin GUI in your browser. If configured correctly, you should see an error message indicating access is denied. Your Litespeed WebAdmin GUI access is now successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.